Do you ever find yourself drifting through life without a clear direction? Are you tired of setting goals that never seem to materialize? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals, while others struggle to make progress? It all comes down to the power of intention. It's more than just wishful thinking, but rather taking control of your destiny. It is the key that unlocks the doors to our dreams. Intention is what drives us to act and make our dreams a reality. It's the driving force behind every successful person and every great achievement. As we step into the year 2024, it's important to harness the unwavering power of intention to unlock our goals. With the right mindset, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. When you harness intention, extraordinary things happen. But it doesn't stop there. When embraced, you will see the transformation unfold before your eyes. Here is a roadmap to assist you in tapping into the potency of intention for the approaching year. Clarify your goals. But how do we unlock this power and harness it for our own success? First, let's clarify our goals. Take a moment to ask yourself, what do I want to achieve this year? Define your goals clearly and specifically. When you set a clear goal, you create a roadmap for your success. It's like setting your GPS towards your dreams. When we know exactly what we want to achieve, our intention becomes laser-focused. This makes them more manageable and helps you track progress. Planning. Break down your goals into actionable steps and take inspired action. Break down your goals into manageable steps and commit to consistent, focused effort. Take small, consistent actions daily that align with your intentions. Each step brings you closer to your destination. Cultivate positive mindset. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. Trust that you have what it takes to make your dreams a reality. Embrace challenges as an opportunity for growth. Surround yourself with uplifting influences that inspire and motivate you. It's also important to believe in ourselves and in the power of our intentions. Doubt and negativity can hinder our progress, so we must cultivate a positive mindset and have faith in our ability to achieve greatness. Obstacles may arise, but remember, they are opportunities for learning and growth. Embrace them and let them fuel your determination. Visualize your success. As you use the power of visualization to imagine yourself achieving your goals, it helps you connect to the emotions associated with success. Start by visualizing what you want to achieve. Create a vision board filled with images and words that resonate with your desires. Place it where you can see it daily. By vividly imagining ourselves already accomplishing our goals, we send a powerful message to our subconscious mind, which then works to align our actions with our intentions. Align your actions. Ensure that your daily actions align with your intentions. Consistent, purposeful actions create momentum. Identify habits that support your goals and cultivate them. Eliminate or modify habits that hinder your progress. We must constantly review and recalibrate our intentions. Life is fluid, and our goals may evolve over time. By regularly reassessing our intentions, we can adapt and stay on track towards our truest desires. Embrace responsibility and persistence. This is the secret weapon, taking inspired action. We can't just sit back and wait for our goals to magically manifest. We must actively pursue them with determination and perseverance. Remember, persistence is key. Stay committed to your plan, even when obstacles arise. Keep pushing forward and adapting as necessary. Your unwavering intention will guide you through any rough patches. Express gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Celebrate your successes along the way. Acknowledge each milestone and reward yourself for your hard work and dedication. Take a moment to reflect on how far you've come and use that momentum to propel you even further. Express gratitude for the opportunities, resources, and support that contribute to your journey. Surround yourself with positivity. Connect yourself with like-minded individuals who share your aspirations, support and uplift you. Share your goals with them and seek their encouragement. Together, you can amplify the power of intention to achieve greatness. Minimize exposure to negativity, whether it's in the form of people, media, or environments. Embrace the power of intention to shape a bright future for yourself. As you stay true to your intentions, you'll witness your dreams transforming into reality. Remember, success is not an overnight journey. It's a compilation of small steps powered by intention. The key is not only to set goals, but to infuse them with purpose and mindful action. The power of intention is within you. When you align your thoughts, actions, and beliefs towards your goals, nothing can stop you. So what are you waiting for? Start today and watch as your dreams transform into reality. Harness the power of intention and unleash the future you have been waiting for. What do you want to achieve in 2024? What will you do differently to attract a better result for yourself? Let me know in the comments section on how you intend to make 2024 a better version of you. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing insights and strategies. Together, we can unlock the full potential of our dreams.